Moikka! I got this lovely package from the mail from Paul Rubens. They sent me a flower color matching song watercolor palette. And then this lovely watercolor journal, 300 grams, and it has 20 sheets in it. And I am so excited about this watercolor palette because I love to paint whimsical flowers. And today, let's do them. This packaging looks very lovely. Let's open this and see what's inside. Nice, very nice. Ooh, it's a pink watercolor set. How lovely. And here are the beautiful shades. This will be so much fun to make some whimsical flower with these. Lovely. And let's check out this book. It has 20 sheets in it. Very nice. Good quality watercolor paper. And this is hot press. Now let's take off the paper wrappings. Now the papers are off the pans, and the color collection, I think it is amazing. I really love these bright colors. Here is some examples of the colors. And then there is this card that you can try out the colors. And this is really handy, this little towel. Nice. Yes, let's try out the colors. Wow, I have to say that these colors are amazing, and I love really bright colors. And would you look at these? The turquoise and these reds, and really wonderful. A warm thank you to Paul Rubens for sending me this lovely set. Okay, now I have put some washi tape to this lovely sketchbook, and then I will make a drawing of some whimsical flowers here and there, and then let's try out the watercolors. I am so excited. the watercolor painting part is done. And next, let's try out some markers, how they go with the watercolor painting and this sketchbook, because I love to do those decorations to paintings. Okay, now the watercolor painting is ready, and I had such a good time. I have to say, these watercolors are my favorite at the moment. This is my joy colors, these happy colors. So this will go straight to number 1 in my opinion of watercolor palettes. I love this. And there is more information in the description box below if you want to go and check out this palette and this sketchbook also. And a big thank you to Paul Rubens for sending me this lovely set. I really enjoyed this, and I am so excited about the future projects that I can do with these colors. I love them. But yes, until next time, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.